Pack up all the dishes, make note of all good wishes, say goodbye to the landlord for me. All you know.
So this is where we're going. We're going to go into the motorcycle museum right here. We've got one right here. And we're going to see if we can do some filming in there. Aren't we, my darling?
We are, yep.
I don't know if you're going to get up on there. Rightio, here we are. Where are we, babe?
We're at the Bicheno Motorcycle Museum.
We are, and we're going to go in there for a little bit of a squizzy, aren't we?
Yep, have a look at some bikes.
Yeah, it's a little bit windy, so you might get a bit of wind noise out here, but we'll go in and wax them if we can film, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, this is it here.
We have been here before, quite a few years ago. So what time do you open till?
4 o'clock now, the week coming on, it's 9 to 4.
Yeah.
And summertime's 9 to 5.
Are you? Yeah.
Rightio, here we go. This is it. The motorcycle museum, isn't it, babe?
Motorcycle.
Oh, there's one for you that will fit you, little bombardier.
Phantom 56.
Phantom, yes.
Oh, that's pretty, isn't it?
That's pretty, isn't it? Eh? 1951 Triumph.
I see a little QA, is it? A QA 50 down here?
Where?
We've got one of those.
We'll come down and we'll have a look in a sec.
We have one in the shed.
Yes. Oh, nice quacker there, look at that. Z900.
There's nothing nice about a quacker.
Yes, there is. Beautiful bike.
I'll say that if it's
There you go, that little Honda 90 would fit you.
That's probably...
It's like an old postie bike, sort of, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that one there would fit you, babe.
For sure. Pocket rocket, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice Honda, that one, isn't it? I'd like one of them, CB 750.
750.
It'd be nice, wouldn't it?
What's it? 754. I don't know what the Ford's meant for.
4-cylinder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 4-cylinder.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah.
And then the cracker is two.
Oh,
That one there was 50. And it's over on the back shelf.
yeah, right over there.
It
That would
is a
fit you.
QA50.
Yeah.
It's the same as the one in our shed.
Yes, we've got one of them with the plastic guards and everything. QA50. About 1970, 72, I think they are.
They are.
Yeah.
72 it says.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, there you go, eh? Yeah, that's like the one we got in the shed, only that's in better condition, babe.
That says it's a QA50K2. I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't know.
A tiny little tank. How did we ever do that many laps around the backyard without it running out of fuel?
The two of us used to bomb around the yard on that. On that little thing.
No wonder the bloody thing's broke.
Yes, well.
But how many litre tank? That would only be a litre, wouldn't it?
It's not very big. Catalina Rocket Gold Star 650 Twin. BSA Shooting Star. Pretty, aren't they?
There's a Tenere. 77, is it? No. What's it over there?
Don't know.
Tenere.
1988, babe. Tenere down there. Aerial, BSA.
That is an engine on that bike.
Yep, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That's an engine.
Cycle master.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's a ripper, isn't she?
Yeah.
Some nice bikes in here, isn't there?
There is.
Oh, we're coming up to the adventure bikes. Old XT.
That's a big fuel tank on it.
They are them. You can get them ones with the clear tanks too, can't
Yeah,
you?
I've seen that.
Yeah. All the memorabilia.
What are these? They're race bikes, sport bikes.
Ducati. A 900 SS. Honda, what's that? HRC 125. Little race bike.
Right, yeah. It's only a 125.
Yep.
Somehow looks bigger than that, though.
And they'll go.
Sounds like thunder, goes like lightning. I don't know if there was this many bikes last time.
Yeah, I think there was. I think there was, wasn't there?
I like that green one up there.
Which one? This one here?
That's nice.
It's a nice colour, that, isn't it? Adler.
I do like that.
Very nice paintwork on that, isn't there?
What's this?
RM80 there. That looks like a bicycle.
What does it look like?
A bicycle.
It does. It's got Jap written on it.
Yeah.
It's Japanese made.
Yeah. There's a Speedway one there. Bike there.
Looks more like a circus one. God, look at this whole thing.
Yeah.
Sloper.
Yet to be done up.
What was it nicknamed? The Sloper due to its angled forward single cylinder.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yamaha 400.
It's the
They've
oldest.
even got Harley in here.
Yeah. This is the oldest one.
Look at it.
That's a pan head, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Look.
Yeah.
It's the oldest one there, isn't it? 1930 or something.
Oh, I don't know. There'd be some earlier ones there than that. Some of these. The workshop in there.
One of yours is in there. Look, the pan head's like the
Yeah, right, the fat boy now. Yeah. Yeah. The old Harley panhead. It's a Vincent.
Oh yeah, 1949.
Is that
This
worth a
is-
bit?
That one over there is 1930s. So, and this is a 49. I think that is the oldest one over there.
Yeah. Well, that is the, where are we?
Bicheno.
Bicheno Motorcycle Museum.
And it was only $9 each.
To get in,
And
yes.
use the toilet. There's what's his name?
Hey.
That dude.
Yeah, Charlie.
Charlie Borman.
Yeah, yeah,
Is that his name?
yeah.
Borman?
But anyway, we'll leave it at that. We'll hit the road again.
We'll hit the road.
Hey? Not raining. Okay then, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very lovely bike.
Yeah. Be nice in the shed, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
It's the oldest one in there, the 1930.
Yeah.
Thought it was.
Oh, cool. Okay then. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks. Well, the wind has very much picked up out here, hasn't it?
The moldy box of vanilla wafers. Adios to all this concrete.